Dear friends, now I am going to dictate elaboration of August 2016 of Tamil Nadu government. Only elaboration but not condensation. 5 seconds. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Chief Administrative Officer, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakkam, for housekeeping of the Atomic Center. The period of contract is 1 year. Estimated cost of the work is rupees 16 lakhs. Earnest money deposit required rupees 30,000. Tender documents can be had on payment of rupees 500 on any working day from the 2nd to 9th September 2015 from the accounts officer. Completed tenders will be received up to 3 pm on 10th September. Tenders will be opened at 4 pm on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. The Chief Administrative Officer reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason. Draft tender notice. Number 2. Applications are invited from eligible candidates working in the central government or autonomous institutions for the post of upper division clerk on permanent absorption basis in the Central Leprosy Teaching and Research Institute, Chengalpattu. Scale of pay is rupees 5,000 to rupees 20,000 with grade pay of rupees 3,000. The candidate should be holding similar post on a regular basis or should have 8 years regular service in the post of lower division clerk. The candidate should have experience in establishment, accounts, budget and general administration. Good knowledge in computer operation is a must. The post carries all usual allowances and admissible to the central government servants. Applications may be forwarded to the above office within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Draft advertisement to be issued by the director of the institute. Number 3. Draft a letter to the editor of the Hindu on the following lines. Many people come to the T Nagar bus terminus every day, but it is a pity that the shelter is only partially covered as the major portion is open. Commuters using the terminus suffer a lot during the day and during rains. It will be of great help if the Metropolitan Transport Corporation extends the shelter to cover the entire terminus. At the same time, it may also provide seats for the waiting commuters. It will be a boon if it also provides sufficient toilets in all its bus terminus. Number 4. A woman had advertised that a portion above her house in Saidapet was available for rent. About 9 pm on Saturday, two men came to her house to inquire about it. She took them to the first floor to show them the space on rent. Suddenly, one of them pulled out a knife and demanded her neck chain. She cried out for help, but the other man struck her in the neck with the knife. He snatched her chain, and both men ran away from the scene at once. Police investigation is on. Draft an eyewitness account of the incident.